the plastic shaping or plastic forming process. Mostly it involves molding of plastic, similar to your casting, but here you have to use the word molding. You have started something about the product, which what are the product available in our life as a plastic product. You can come across a pipe, tube, many parts, that is domestic parts. Okay, that may be a molded parts or extruded section, film, sheet, insulation coating on optical wire and fiber for textiles. Okay, nowadays this is application of plastic. They plastic have been used in paint or varnishes. Okay, it have been used as a polymer composite along with it is used as a part. It is used as a composite material. Next slide, we can see the application of plastic. Nowadays, it have been used for making glass bottle or syntax tank, water tank. Uh, Everything is made by nowadays plastic. It is replacing many fitting of metal or by you are using a plastic. Okay. Uh, Next slide is nothing but already seen this slide, I think. Why I'm using the plastic? What is the important characteristic of plastic? The advantage of plastic. Uh, this slide shows the advantage of your plastic. Nowadays, the plastic is replacing the metal because I can make a net shape. With metal, I have to undergo some finishing process, or I have to remove the material. And plastic is used because of slow weight and less cost. Less temperature is required to deform the plastic, which may be a few hundred degrees C. Okay, we can find a lot of application of your plastic. When compared to metal, it requires a low temperature, a low heating in few hundred only in order to melt the plastic. So it requires a less temperature for melting and melting operation. It is find this application. It have low density when compared to metal and ceramic. It have a good strength to weight ratio. It have a very good high corrosion resistance property. It have low electrical and thermal conductivity property. For that only the plastics are being used, and it is replacing metal as well as ceramic in many cases. But even though we are having advantage of plastic, we are having some disadvantage also. Okay, some advantage in the this side also. Polymers are less scarce when compared to metal. Polymers requires less energy, as already discussed. It is very transparent. Hello. It is very transparent as similar to your glass. It also used in a composite as a composite material. Okay. Next is a limitation of your plastic. Yeah, but when it compared to metal, it have low strength, it have a low stiffness, low modulus of elasticity, that's saying smallest. Uh, but it is easily degrade when you are using a thermosetting plastic. Uh, Sometimes you can see that the plastic will degrade when it's subjected to sunlight and other form of radiation. That is nothing but heat. It have a viscoelasticity property. It cannot that property make the plastic low bearing application that cannot be used. That we cannot use the plastic for low bearing application. Okay, these are some of the limitations. Once again, repeat, the plastic have low strength when compared to your metal and ceramic. It have a low stiffness, low modulus of elasticity. It is subject to degradation when we are using a thermosetting plastic. It is subjected to degradation when it is when it is exposed to a sunlight and other form of radiation. It have one property called viscoelastic property, which make the plastic not applied for a low bearing application, not suitable for a low bearing application. Low bearing application. This is a limitation of your plastic. Next is types of plastic. We already discussed thermoplastic or thermoplastic polymer or thermoplastic. This plastic will undergo its repeated heating and cooling cycle. It will not degrade. It can be shaped to. We can shape the plastic in any shape by heating. Most of the plastic material are made by thermoplastic nowadays. Some example of thermoplastic are polypropylene, polyethylene, PET, PVC, polyvinyl chloride, and polystyrene (PS). Next type of plastic is thermosetting plastic. This plastic, once it is set, it cannot be reshaped. Whenever we try to reshape, it will damage or it will degrade or it will catches fire. That plastic, some of the example of plastic material is phenolic and epoxies and silicon. It cannot be, you cannot use this plastic for repeated heating and cooling cycle. Okay, this is the kind of plastic application. That is, you can get the plastic as a thin film or a filament or a fiber, molded parts, hollow molded parts, discrete parts, cast foamed product, that is your foam cream. Okay, we can get the plastic in any cross section, complete solid or hollow solid pipe. That is complete solid means I can make as a complete rod, plastic rod. Or hollow by cross section means I can make it as a tube and pipe. The continuous filament means fiber, and it can make a molded parts, nothing but your soap box. Switch box, soap box is an example of molded parts. Discrete parts, sheet, film. Okay, you can use a X-ray film or you can use a sheet, photographic films. And foam product is nothing but your shaving foam. This application of your plastic. Okay, within 1 minute the session will be. I will continue with the next section because it is showing that it is 1 minute. Next thing is the exclusion process. Exclusion here you have to mention as a polymer exclusion process or plastic exclusion process. Okay, here you have to mention it as a plastic exclusion or polymer exclusion process. Okay, this exclusion process is similar as case of your metal as well as ceramic